Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing you two very easy DIYs. The first one is this beautiful mirror. We're gonna add some bling to it, and the second one, which is my favorite one, it is this beautiful spring floral decor. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to begin with this mirror that I got at Target for less than $6, and also with some diamond wrap that I got from the Dollar Tree. And practically what we're gonna do is to glue in the diamond wrap on the white trim. And for that I went ahead and cut up rows. Each row has 5 lines. And this wrap has adhesive already, but I do like to add hot glue just to make sure it doesn't move anywhere. And yeah, that's practically what we're gonna do all the way around it. This DIY was super easy and it makes such a big difference with the end result. And yeah, this is what it looks like. In person looks so much better. You can actually see the blinging of that diamond wrap. So yeah, this is the first DIY. For the second DIY, you're gonna need some flowers that look like this, a glass container, and also I got a floral block. And so the first thing that we're gonna do is to glue that block right in the middle, and then we're also gonna use some of these white petals that I also found at the Dollar Tree. We are going to put them in the jar so you cannot see that green foam. Then we're gonna move on with a frame that looks like this. I am going to take off the backing and I will be applying some of this felt right on the back of it, because we are going to be using the frame as a base for the actual glass container. And I am just applying some of that hot glue, and practically what I did here is just cut the little round felt in half, and that's going to give me the height that I desire. And then for the glass, I am going to apply it right in front or on top of the frame with hot glue. And of course, if you want this project to last longer, I would also use E6000 with the hot glue to make sure that it stays in place. Right after that, I am going to apply some of this hot glue on the actual glass, and then I will be positioning the glass container right in the middle. And the flowers, I'm just gonna go ahead and put them right in the middle where we had that block. And I will be also using some of this diamond wrap to add more dimension to this project. I also went ahead and added some of this glitter, and yeah, I went ahead and also put in some of these feathers, and of course that's gonna give it more texture. Also for the frame, I added some of those acrylic gems, and this is the final result. I hope that you like this tutorial, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adiós.